Fish Audio just raised $52 million. That is a massive number for an AI voice company. And it changes everything. For you. For me. For anyone building with AI voices. Let me explain exactly what this means. And why you should pay attention right now. Here is the headline. Fish Audio closed a $52 million funding round. Led by top-tier investors who believe AI voice is the next big thing. This is not pocket change. This is a serious bet. To put it in perspective, that is more than some entire AI startups are worth. And Fish Audio got it in one round. Let me back up for a second. Fish Audio is a platform for AI voice generation. Voice cloning. Text-to-speech. Real-time voice agents. You type. It speaks. With any voice you want. You upload a 10-second voice sample. It clones the voice perfectly. You build an AI agent. It talks to your customers on the phone. In real time. With natural human speech. This is not sci-fi. This is working today. Right now. So why did investors drop $52 million on this? 3 reasons. Number 1. The voice AI market is exploding. Companies are spending billions on customer service. Content creation. Education. Accessibility. Every single one of them needs voices. Real voices. Human-sounding voices. Fish Audio has one of the best voice synthesis engines in the world. Number 2. Voice agents are the next frontier. OpenAI has voice mode. Google has Gemini Live. 11 Labs has conversational AI. But Fish Audio is focused on making voice agents accessible. Not just for big tech. For everyone. Their real-time API lets you build a voice agent in under 10 minutes. I have done it. It is shockingly easy. Number 3. The founding team knows what they are doing. This is not a hype startup with no product. They have been shipping for years. Text-to-speech. Voice cloning. Voice design. MCP server. Real-time agents. Every few weeks. New feature. Better quality. Faster speeds. That is why investors are confident. They are betting on execution. Not just a demo. Now here is what this means for you. First. Better tech. Faster voices. Lower latency. More funding means more engineers. Better models. Better infrastructure. The voices you generate today will sound even better in 6 months. Second. More features. Voice agents will get smarter. More natural. Cheaper. Fish Audio already lets you build voice agents that answer phone calls. Take orders. Book appointments. With $52 million. They can make that experience flawless. Third. Lower prices. Or more free credits. Fish Audio already gives you 8,000 free credits when you sign up. No credit card required. With this funding, they can afford to be even more generous. To grow the user base. Translation. You get more value for less money. Fourth. Industry validation. When big investors put big money into AI voice, it signals one thing. This technology is not a toy. It is the future of how humans interact with machines. Every business will need AI voices. For marketing. Support. Training. Entertainment. You can be early. Or you can catch up later. I prefer early. Let me show you what you can actually do with Fish Audio right now. You can clone your own voice. Upload a 10-second sample. And Fish Audio recreates it with stunning accuracy. Use it for YouTube voiceovers. Podcast intros. Audiobook narration. No studio. No microphone. No recording sessions. You can design a completely new voice from scratch. Pick the tone. The pitch. The emotion. Create a brand voice for your business that no one else has. You can type text and get a natural human voice reading it. In over 80 languages. Yes. 80. Not 5. Not 10. 80. You can build a real-time voice agent. Connect it to your website. Your phone line. Your app. It talks to your customers while you sleep. And the quality keeps getting better. I have tested Fish Audio side by side with 11 Labs. With Play HT. With Muff. Fish Audio consistently matches or beats them. Especially on voice cloning. And especially on price. 8,000 free credits. Every month. That is enough for over 2 hours of generated speech. Most competitors give you 10 minutes. Maybe 15. Now let us talk about what the 52 million really signals. The AI voice industry is entering a new phase. Phase 1 was research. Can we make machines talk? Phase 2 was quality. Can they sound human? We are now entering Phase 3. Ubiquity. Every app, every device, every business will have an AI voice interface. Fish Audio just got the fuel to lead that transition. If you are a content creator, this is your moment. You can produce videos without ever speaking into a microphone. You can create podcasts with a voice that sounds better than most radio hosts. You can localize your content into dozens of languages with the same voice, preserving your brand identity. If you are a business owner, this is your customer service revolution. Voice agents that answer every call, handle every question, never get tired. If you are a developer, this is your platform. Build voice into your apps, your games, your tools. With a few lines of code, the train is leaving the station. $52 million just added rocket fuel to it. Here is my take. Fish Audio was already the best value in AI voice. Now they have the resources to pull ahead even further. The question is not if AI voices will replace traditional voice work. The question is when. And who will be positioned when it happens. I want you to be positioned. Go to Fish Audio. Sign up for free. You get 8,000 credits. No credit card. Try the text-to-speech. Clone your voice. Build a simple voice agent. See what it feels like to have a studio-quality voice at your fingertips. The link is in the description. This $52 million round is a milestone. Not just for Fish Audio. For the entire AI voice industry. It is a signal that voice AI has crossed the threshold. From interesting experiment to essential infrastructure. Be early. I will see you in the next one.